Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to start designing our dashboard for our D-mail, known as, or Gmail clone, really. Alright, so before I begin, just a couple of announcements. So first, thank you for all of your support. I see a tremendous amount of support for the past few days. I really appreciate all of it. Read and basically reply to every single comment, or at least add a reaction to it. Feel free to comment down. Yeah. And the second thing is, I will be hosting but I will start a new collaboration video with, I'm gonna keep it secret for now, but it's gonna be really cool as this is my first collaboration video done with other YouTubers. So the theme gonna be focused on MLH Fellowship. If you don't know that, you can just Google. It's pretty hot topic in the tech right now, especially among student community. You can just Google that. If you have any questions or just anything open source in general, feel free to comment down below. I will check every comment and make a Google Doc of them, and then we will discuss about these questions if we have any. Yeah, and then I also get some personal link down below. If you want to support my channel, feel free to donate via my PayPal link, etc. Alright, with that being said, let's get started with our real stuff. So we're gonna implement this to look something like this. Alright, look something like actual Gmail. Let me just zoom in on this image. Okay, I don't want to go to the website, but it's okay. Because I don't want to show my actual Gmail because I need to edit a lot of stuff. But this is the layout. That's what are we gonna attempt to implement. All right. So let's first implement the design. I need to also get the bootstrap out because I'm gonna need the layout, as we're gonna do some CSS and JavaScript. So this is gonna primarily be front end now. Let's see. So search doc, layout. All right. I want to do form layout. Just pure layouts. Never mind, they're doing form layout. All right, columns. That's the first thing we need to do. So judging by my eye, it's like call 3 versus call 9, I believe. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, so all right, so gonna go ahead and add that part. Need to move stuff around a little bit. Just make it right in place. All right. Okay, so let's go to index.html here, and now we'll go ahead and I think we'll have container set up, so we're really just in the class of row. First is call 3, and here we'll say category / folders. This can be also a great machine learning project for classifying spam messages, but we're not going to worry about that right now. And then here we can say call 9. Let me paste it here. Do a quick refresh on the front end. Alright, I think everything's messed up because of these verification message. I just use other like random business just to make sure it works. It works, so that's good. Alright, okay. Let me go to authentication base. Yeah, it's wrapped around the container. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do a save for now because we're not gonna do save anyway right here. Yeah, we're not gonna do save right here anyway. Dmail dashboard for some reason. Yeah, Dmail should be. Okay, let me just create a separate container. Not sure would that solve the issue. How to spell container? Forgot. Container, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I didn't do anything really at all. All right. Try to put it. Oops. Wait. What did I do? All right. Okay. All right. So then what I would do? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add a manual style here. Yeah, I will do refactoring later. Of course, I always say later, but never really do it. But I hope I would have time to do this. All right. So in here we'll say text align, Centerino. There we go. All right, looks good. All these stuff also need to get fixed. Okay. So what we will do is we'll design something like this. And right now, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Oops. Right now, we're just gonna keep it like that. We're gonna primarily focus on here. So it's basically like so we have something like a subject. I mean, sender, subject, and timestamp. Looks like. So let's see how can we do that. I'm gonna do that part then. So basically then in here, I'm gonna I think we need to apply a style. I don't know, maybe it's called tab or something. And I think it's called something tab. This is not exactly what I wanted. But okay, so let's see. Basically, it's gonna be wrapped with a div that's have. Okay, so it's really just a border, I would say. So not that complicated. All right. So in here, let me do this. All right, so we're gonna give a div, and div gonna be style is border 1 pixel solid black. Let's give a. All right, and let's put some text in here. Maybe we can apply some padding. Just 5 pixel. We'll change the menu, manipulate with it. So first will be the sender, right? It's email dot from email, Nazi sender. Okay, nice. It looks pretty good. Though some issue is it doesn't really do that. With the column though. There's something wrong with the column that I don't know about. Or is it just how table works in Bootstrap? Container, row, start, div class row. Right, we got a container, we got a row, we got a column. Right, that is a structure. 12 column wrapping, okay. Alright, yeah, code 9. Yeah, I'm using the correct thing, but it's apparently not. We can use the table instead, really. Okay. So let's try using tables, see if that's gonna fix anything. This is just gonna be me to completely butcher the front end development to show you all the incorrect step. But basically what's going to happen is if I show you all the incorrect steps, then you can learn from me since you just know what to not to do. Alright, let's see. Hopefully this can done better. Oh no, delete this. Okay, let me remove this and then insert it here. Alright, let's refresh just to get the content of it. Yeah, this thing completely... Oh, okay, because I forgot to give a code 9. Alright, hide the table. Add a div here. We have to close it. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna make it even shorter than code 2. Oh, maybe it's because this, the font of it. Who knows? Category and folder. This really gonna be another table as well, to be honest. Now I can give it a code 3. Alright. That should fix everything. Okay. So we don't want the header row. We don't want it. So I think we can safely delete it. Actually, let's not delete it. Let's... What did I just do? Oh my god. I do not know what did I just do. Is my server still running? Yeah, my server is still running. Okay, because there's just a shortcut to clear the console. Okay. Yeah, this is exactly how I wanted it to look. Yeah, simple HTML table solve all the issue. Okay. So, let's see. So this is gonna be from email.from email. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. Okay. I don't want these extra rows, so I can delete them. Let's do a for email in emails. And for, there we go. Let's do a quick refresh here. Oh, there we go, nice. All right, so what I want is that if it does have this left and right, I don't know what it's called. I would call it arrow bracket. If we don't have these arrow bracket, I want to get rid of them. Just get the front part out. So what I would do then is this. I don't think I want to. Yeah, I just want to do it during the rendering part. Maybe views. Can we do dot splits directly in here? Because I'm not sure. Yeah, we can't. Alright. I think we'll leave it. Okay, yeah, I'll start. I will see how can I do that. Yeah, I might have to use a dictionary instead of just rendering like that. So in here we can have a data, and it's gonna have a sublists. So it's gonna have from email to email. What other information do we have? We don't need body, we need subject and timestamp. That's really all we need. And we'll get a name variable if it's not none. Alright, so then what I will do is I will loop through here. For emails, data pen, we'll go as a name first. Let's try name equals to data.from email dot split by this except index here. Yeah, except index. Would it give me an index error though? I don't think it will give me an index error. I think it will be something nonetheless. Yeah. Data append. So it's email.from email e.to email e.subject e.timestamp, and I put a name here. And then you're gonna return data instead. So loop through the data. From email gonna be 0. Let's check if everything still works. All right, Dick has no attribute from email. Oh, okay. Never mind. It's e.from email. Apologize about that. Dick test. Oh, let's make it a list instead. Okay, doesn't do anything. Oh yeah, didn't do anything. Shouldn't do anything either. 0, 1, 2. Oops. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's first place dot 4. So when you're doing like a list access in Jinja, you need to also use a dot notation, but instead of dot a key, you need to dot the index number. Yep, this looks fantastic. All right. So now I will get the subject, and also need to truncate the text if it's too long. So truncate. So let's see, how would it work? All right, so I need to truncate the text as well. So shorten it if necessary. All right, I think it will automatically do most of it. Subject should be 3. No, actually, should be 2. Oh, that's timestamp. Wait, what? Well, that's timestamp. 0, 1, 2. Right, that's subject. That's subjectio. Oh, there we go. All right. That's there. Now, I want to do, okay, so now it's time to do the timestamp. So timestamp is gonna be email dot 4. If it, assuming, okay, never mind, it's not 4, it's 3. Yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be super short. This is gonna be super short, and this is gonna span through 2 columns. So maybe I could do something like this. Subject gonna be 2 columns. No question asked here because subject always is the longest. Don't think it will apply any real change for now, but we will see about that eventually. All right, now let's go ahead and do some JavaScript here. So script will cut at the end. And what the script going to do is gonna, I need to Google this part. A millisecond to timestamp to readable timestamp in JavaScript. That's about millisecond run, of course. Doesn't really matter. All right, convert millisecond to readable dates. Oh, nice. This is pretty helpful. This is pretty helpful, I would say. All right. So I'll put it here, and in here I will say, class. Let's give a class called timestamp. I'm gonna say var timestamps equals to document dot get elements by class name timestamp, and then each of them will have a unique ID nonetheless, so I can easily actually no, they don't have to have an ID. And in here I will say for let I equals 0, I less than timestamps dot length I plus plus console.log timestamps bracket I. Alright, let's take a look how that looks. Let me open up my console here. Let's do a refresh. So front end video progress is gonna take much shorter. If you guys don't want to see like front end when I'm doing front end, you guys can comment down below. So I will just do front end on my own time. It's okay. I know I don't know pretty much anything. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright, so it works. Alright, and in here we can just say documents.get elements by class name. Timestamp. Oh, never mind. Alright, timestamps bracket I dot wait for this thing to load. Inner text. Inner HTML also works. Alright, so in here, gonna say var d equals to new date. And what I want it to be is, for now, I'm not gonna do the fancy checking because, you know, have time, have date, based on different stuff. Like if it's like received today, well, maybe we could do that. Maybe we could do that. Let's see. Let me run the code snippet. So what does this give us? Yeah. Okay. Maybe we could do that. Yeah, we could do that. It doesn't really matter. Just a couple if statements, I suppose. So yeah, today's goal is just to redesign our script to make it easily readable. All right. Okay. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna say parse int of timestamps bracket I dot inner text in HTML. Yep. All right. Once we got a D, in here I want to say D. We're going to check a couple things first. Var current is going to be new date, like that. So in here, we're going to say if cur dot get date get date equals to d dot get day. Let's get UTC day just to make sure everything works. Get UTC day. Then we're gonna say timestamps bracket I dot inner HTML equals to cur dot get local day get day. Let's see, how can we parse it? Is there a good way that we can parse it? Let's say to local time string. Yeah, this works. Not ideal. I don't want the millisecond maybe, but good enough. Does a trick I wanted to do. Alright, else if cur dot get UTC year equals to d dot get UTC year. Then we're gonna say timestamp the inner HTML, and then we're just gonna append months and a day. So go copy it here, paste it here. All right, and then in here we can just how did it work? December 20. All right, so it's gonna be months. I don't want to get UTC months. Maybe we can just do a normal months here, a normal date here. All right, but then otherwise, let's say timestamps bracket I dot inner HTML equals to let's do it this format. D dot. Yeah. So that looks good. Actually, you know what? We could just do this thing then. Just do this full thing. Yeah. So we need to do this. Alright. So D. Alright, D get months. D get date. D get full year. Alright. Let's do a refresh, see what we got here. Let me open up my console as well. Alright. Oh, what the heck is this? Well, there's TypeScript. Maybe some stupid extension installed. Wait, did it update it? I don't think it works at all. Right, maybe it's because... Oh, nice! It actually worked. It looks neat. The only thing I need to do is I need to reverse the whole thing. Because somehow it's like the recent one's at the bottom. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the correct time because that's what I sent to test everything out, make sure everything works. Alright, let's go ahead and do something called reverse. Alright, you're gonna say alright, data equals to data.reverse. Alright, and then I can do data here. Alright, decent progress. Looks pretty neat now. Alright, one more thing I will do before I leave this video here is I would implement the ability where you can click a mail and you can see it. Whoops. Alright, whole thing got messed up there. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna do this because it's return none. I want to use reversed maybe because that's return an item. There we go. Alright, yep, top one is at the up. Alright, so now what's gonna happen is usually we'll click here and then we'll prompt you to somewhere else. So in here we'll go and say unclick. We'll give everything an unclick here. Maybe let's give an entire row an unclick. Alright, unclick, and then we'll just say document dot we could just say reader location dot assign in here we can say slash email slash we can get an ID here somehow. No, I don't really need an ID. Yeah, I'll do an AJAX request or fetch request here. Let's get unclick and we'll just say I will create a function I suppose here, and then we'll just call this let's call this display email. That's gonna be the last thing I will do. Equals to, of course, I messed up my arrow function here. All right, so display email. What's gonna have is gonna have an email address. That's the first. Gonna have email and millisecond. That's all gonna have, because I highly doubt there is even slightly chance that there will be two emails sent from the same email address on exactly the same millisecond. On exactly the millisecond, I don't believe that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we're out of time, so I have to do this quick. To make sure my video stays in 3 minutes. Display email. Email gonna be email.4. Millisecond can be email.3. Alright, we'll do a fetch. We'll just say slash API slash get email. And we'll go ahead and say the message post. I'll just say messages post. Let me get the CSRF exempt searched up, because I always forget how to do CSRF exempt. Body is, we're gonna have email, gonna have from email, second. Alright, and then say dots. Oh my god, that's been too long since I do a fetch request. I completely forgot how fetch works. Alright, that's that. Yeah, I forgot about this. Response equals response.json .then data equals to this. Alright, and then basically what I expect is I would just say yeah, I would just go ahead and replace it this way. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and replace the entire code 9, I guess. Display. Alright, I'll go and say documents .get elements by D. Display dot. You know what? Scratch that. I'm not gonna do it right now. We're actually gonna preferably just do a simple on click or something. So location assign email slash. And how we're gonna do is gonna do the millisecond part, and then sender. From. Alright. And then let's see. Let's test it out, see if it works. Sorry guys, I may spend too much time just chatting without coding. Alright, nice. Nice. Actually, you know what? I think we could just do millisecond for now, since that will be making the URL a little bit more beautiful. Let's go to the views.py here. The email request. In here, we're just gonna go ahead and using the parameter, so we get the from email. We're just gonna get the millisecond. MS here for millisecond. And what's going to happen is once I click on the mail, get the mail. Okay, so then here we're going to say document email dot objects dot get millisecond or timestamp equals to ms and what do we want to do? And so email is timestamp equals to ms as well as the to email equals to this. I really need to hurry up here. Sorry, more than 30 minutes, I believe. Sorry about that. And then we're just going to start returning under dashboard slash email.html. Alright, okay. I will go ahead and just alright, I will go implement this email.html deep in depth maybe in next video, and then maybe I will also go start implementing the send dashboard. How I'm gonna do that? Yeah. So in here we're just gonna say maybe h2 the subject. Make sure I pass it here. Let me add it to the URLs as well, because I'm gonna forget that. What's a pass it gift? Slash email slash string ms. Let's say views the email. The subject, and then here we'll go add a div and we'll say email dot, because I believe it should be signified, because I don't believe any script can actually be sent in email protocol right now. So we'll just believe it completely fine. Alright, let's hopefully try to make sure everything works. Nice. So we do see the subject and we see here. Alright, so next video we're gonna keep implementing our email dashboard. So we're gonna implement this view email template as well as the standard templates. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. Again, remember, if you have any Q&A question to ask about MLH Fellowship, my partner, so person I'm going to be collaborating with is a big YouTuber, a big tech YouTuber, 40K subscribers around. And he's a MLH coach as well as a pod leader. If you want to ask any MLH Fellowship related question, feel free to comment down below. Or if you just ask any open source or programming related question, you can also feel free to comment down below as well. Alright, okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a nice day. Devsmeet out.